Got a message from a rising artist from the States na kahit si Post Malone nakabila na ng art niya. He asked me if I could style his upcoming clothing brand collection. Kahit si Anti Drama nakasuot ng cap nila. But at first, I'm really hesitant to accept the project. Kasi my only experience styling is through my content creation. Wala pa akong professional experience sa styling. Pero may naalala akong isang magandang quote. Don't let the fear of the unknown stop you from seizing opportunity. So ayun na nga, we accepted the project. Kasi malay mo, ito na nga yung start of DJ Mark's styling era. Sheesh! At first, I really don't know how styling for a brand is. Pero yun pala, medyo same lang talaga sa ginagawa kong styling sa aking content creation. We just have to make the item or the product pop and to make sure that your styling is pasok sa brand identity ng brand. It's really cool to see that styling can really elevate the vibe of the full outfit. Dating fit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Para may different scene. Shoot them in their original outfit.
Okay. For me, styling is just putting things together to elevate your whole outfit. Para hindi magmukhang plain yung suot mo. So don't be scared of trying things out. Like what I did here. Unisexing items, so the fit for the model is not perfect. So marami akong trial and error, but it turned out to be great. So I've learned from this experience na don't quit before you start. Kasi grabe, tignan mo, I really enjoyed styling. Kinakabahan kasi ako to accept this if kaya ko. But you know, malay mo next time, own brand ko na sa style ko. So yun lang guys, this is my first time style. I hope may mga natutunan kayo sa mga pa-quotes ko today.